Everyone, welcome back. Welcome. If you are new, my name is thebubsbee and we got another wig video for you guys. All right, for my gal dem over there. So, all right, we have something cute. Okay, something different. The texture is very different, but I am really liking it. I went for more of the subdued makeup look, like no lashes, just tons of mascara. I do want to thank UNice for sponsoring today's video. Okay, if you love a good wig, if you love something that's simple, beginner friendly, all right, something that you can just throw on and get out the door, this is it. You've come to the right video. This is their V-part wig in Kinky Curly. I will leave any more deets down below if you want to check it out, and also a direct link to purchase. I mean, the volume's there. It's so light and fluffy, and I just took this wig right out the box. Right out the box and threw it on. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and we're gonna hop right into it. We're gonna hop right in. So we're gonna get right into this video. I really wanted to see if I can get this wig on my hair with just these twists underneath. We'll see if I do have to like braid my hair down or anything. We'll see. First, let's unbox everything that I received from UNice. Okay, so it does come with its own duster bag. Okay, love that. It also, they sent me over a cute little gift package. Yep, so they sent me over one of their scarves. Also sent over some clips. We have a pair of lashes. They are super dramatic. We got a wig cap. They did send over 2 wig caps. It's not my color, all right? It's not my scalp color, but thank you. And then they also did send a wig grip. I think that's what it's called. I actually have never used a wig grip before, so I'm happy I got this. All right, so this is the wig straight out of the packaging. I'm loving the curls, the definition. To blend this with my hair, I'm thinking that I could definitely just do a 2-strand twist. Okay, the hair feels very soft. It doesn't have a smell. I definitely could cleanse the hair and prep it before applying it to my hair. I'm not going to do that actually. I just want to see how it looks right out of the bag. Okay, so on the inside it actually has clip-in tabs, so you can clip it into your hair. As you can see, it has 5 of those at the top. Yeah, there's 5 of those. And then you have the clips on the side, and then 1 at the bottom, okay? And the straps can be adjusted and tightened if you need it. I'm probably not, because I got a big head. this is the finished look, guys. Give me your honest opinions. Do you guys think this is unclockable? What are you giving this right now? I just love how light the curls feel. They look very realistic. I have like combed through it a lot. I want it to have more volume and for it to look more voluminous so it can look a lot more realistic, okay? Like, you probably could, if you came a little close, tell it's a wig, but you know, we only can do our best over here. But I really don't have anything bad to say. Like I said, this is a wig I'm just going to be throwing on and getting right out the door. I was feeling like this light. You know, I do have a nice glam face, but I was feeling like no lashes, super light and fluffy like this hair feels. What do you guys think? Like I said, like the hair is just super flowy. Okay. Let me just show y'all the back. The back is looking like. All right, side profile. What are we thinking? I definitely give this hair a 10 out of 10. I really am liking how it's just framing my face. I did cut the ends just a little bit. It was looking a little thin and wispy, which that's normally what I do when I get wigs or clip-ins. I usually have to cut a little bit of the ends off, but it looks good. It's very full. The more you comb it out, the more you fluff it out, you're definitely going to get more volume. Thank you so much, UNice, for sponsoring this video and giving me an opportunity to try out this wig. I really do enjoy it, and I love the texture, the feeling of it. It feels like quality. Okay, it feels like quality. So if I did not mention, this is their beginner-friendly V-part wig, and it's the kinky curly texture. This wig, for me, I think is pretty affordable. I've seen the price ranges going up high, all right? But I feel like the quality of this and the price is very, very good. If you want to spruce this wig up even more, add a curling mousse or even like a styling lotion, something super lightweight, and you'll definitely get a more defined look. If there is any more details I missed, I'll make sure to leave them down below in the description. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.